there! Thank you for joining me for Wednesdays at Lorts. Well, today is a very special day. Today, I thought I'd bring you a surprise guest. I want to introduce to you someone who has personal knowledge of Lorts history. Ty Lorts is joining me today. Ty is our Vice President, co-owner, and COO, but most importantly, he's my husband of 32 years. Well, welcome. You finally made it to Wednesdays at Lorts.
Yeah, I figured it would be best if we kept the pretty one of us in front of the camera most of the time, but we'll make an exception today.
Can you tell us a little bit about your earliest memory of Lorts Manufacturing and fill us in on what made you decide to want to join the family business?
Well, some of my earliest memories, period, are things like driving to work with my dad and being at the factory, being at the company. That the company is actually a year older than I am. My grandpa, my dad, thought it would be funny as a 4-year-old to have me answer the phone. I don't know how amusing it was to our customers or the people that was calling, but they thought it was hilarious. I just kind of always knew that this was what I was going to be doing. Every summer I worked here, and it's what I know and it's what I love.
Now that I have you here, and because you are the COO, can you tell us a little bit about what is happening currently at our factory, what you feel our strengths are, and what we've done in the past 2 years to help strengthen and modernize our processes, as well as equip our team to bring us into the future?
Sure. Well, the most important part was the part that you mentioned, and that's the team that we have here. We have some great, loyal people that have been here forever and really help us see us through the good times and the hard times and some of the exciting things that we're doing. We've expanded our abilities by buying another CNC and an edge banding machine that is helping us to kind of expand our capabilities into cabinetry, into millwork, into a lot of hospitality things, and I'm sure they'll make their way into some of our residential designs as well. So we're excited about that. We're excited about some of the lean manufacturing principles that we're instituting out there. We're in a state of continual improvement, and we're always trying to get better and serve our customer better.
We have an incredibly strong and loyal team that does an incredible job of rising to the occasion when we introduce any new process or idea. Ty, if you could, tell everyone how you see the furniture industry changing, how it's staying the same, and how as a company we're addressing both.
Yeah, it's the furniture industry as a whole is a very old family-oriented industry, actually. There's a lot of families that are involved in manufacturing and in retail side, interior design. So family has always been a big part of that. I think that's why we fit in well. Where it's going, I think the pandemic has shown that people need to pay attention to their supply chain. I know we certainly paid attention to our supply chain. Having our factory in the U.S. and having U.S. workers has been extremely important to be able to serve our customers. You know, with your blessing, my plans are to continue more down that road to produce even more here, make sure that we maintain our lead times, which are some of the industry leading for custom furniture. Just try to keep up and pay attention to what our customers are looking for.
Where we're going with our cabinetry and hospitality divisions is very exciting. I can't wait to see where we go from here. Now, I know processes and numbers are more your thing as opposed to aesthetics and design. So not to put you on the spot, but can you tell our viewers what is your favorite Lorts line item and why? And it can't be numbers related for the why.
My favorite pieces are always going to be the ones that sell the most. So I know that's not supposed to be the right answer on that, but those are my favorite pieces. There's been way too many things that we've designed that I've absolutely loved that had no sales to them, and things that I just were not my cup of tea and have done fantastic, so they became my favorite pieces. But I really like what we do with our custom program, just the designs that I see come across. There's just almost too many to mention, but some of the designers that we have across this country that work with Lorts and their creativity that they have in the product that they provide for us to make, and I'm extremely proud just to be able to do each and every one of those.
What a great answer, and thanks for being here with me today. And as always, for the most updated information, please go to our website, www.lorts.com. From the 4 generations that have been and still are part of Lorts Manufacturing, thank you for joining me today. See you next time.